I wanted to share with you my thoughts on these slip-on sneakers. I got light brown. There's a variety of colors, but I thought this was great because they're neutral. They go with everything. They come with nice insoles. They have this thick layer of cushion, so you're nice and comfortable when you're walking. They're really easy to get in and on. They have this elastic right here. And then the back of them is soft. I always get cut on the back of my foot, so you won't need to break these in. They're really soft and flexible. Also, they didn't have half sizes. I'm typically like a 7 to 7.5. So I went ahead and sized down to a size 7 and they fit me perfectly. But keep that in mind, like you'll know your foot better than mine. I would say these are pretty true to size. So if you're normally a half size, but you lean a little bit bigger, I would get towards like an 8 if you're like an in-between like me. My foot, it can be a 7 or a 7.5. That's why I got 7. So I wanted to show you what they look like on. They're really cute. I'm styling them very casually with a pair of leggings today. So just wanted you to see what they look like. Here's what they look like on. They're so cute. They go with everything. You can wear them with like a pair of slacks, with leggings, with jeans. I like them because they're such versatile shoes. Additionally, there are so many colors. I love the light brown. I think they're comfortable, and I think I'm going to have to go ahead and get a few other colors as well. Hope you liked my review.